How to turn on or off access iCloud data on the web in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, click on iCloud and then click on iCloud and scroll down in last, and here you can see the option access iCloud data on the web. Now here you can turn on or off access iCloud data on the web. If you want to turn on it, then simply turn this button on, and here you can turn on or off your access iCloud data on the web. So this is the way to turn on or off access iCloud data on the web in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.